Why are you sitting in the skid steer?
You know, I've never driven one of these, so I'm like, why not?
TQ's
we own
like,
one now, so I gotta learn.
Right. And I'm like, hey, that'd probably be a pretty good idea. So we just got done doing a little something else that you'll see here in a minute in the video. But she's warmed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of walk you through it. You can go ahead and start it up just like normal.
Okay.
You don't have to hit the glow plugs right now because it was already warm. Don't hit anything on your feet or anything just yet until I show you. There you go. All right. There you go as well. She's been watching me a little bit, so she kind of has a general idea. So next thing is, your gas is over here. The orange handle, yep, you'll go forward. You can go ahead and move it now. Back and forward. There you go. So that gives you more goose and more knot.
Okay.
Your arms are just like a stand-on mower. Just you're using your arms. The foot pedals, one will lift your bucket up in the air. Go ahead. And the other will tilt the bucket and dump it. Either back, other way. You'll figure it out. Go ahead, play with those for a second, just so you kind of get the feel in your feet. You need extensions? Her feet can't reach it, she's too short. All right, so when you're moving, you want to kind of keep the bucket low. So you're okay there, but if it's bouncing too much on you, maybe put it a little bit lower. And then, yeah, just use your arms right there to go forward and back. Making sure everything's out of the way. Hey, smash the thumbs up button, guys. She's at least trying it. These machines can be intimidating. I know guys that get intimidated by this stuff, so. Watch the dump trailer. I'm just messing with her. Got to make her stay aware. Put your arms down more. The parking brake is right in the middle by your foot. It kind of flips forward and back. Get it? Okay. So what'd you think?
I'll get the hang of it. How do I release this? Just
Go straight up, yep.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Good job.
Thanks.
It takes a lot of yeah.
What's this switch here on this thing?
You know, I haven't had much time to mess with it yet.
An extension of something.
Oh, it could be for the attachments that we can put onto this unit. So whatever we decide, you know, if we want to get some attachments for it, whatever. I know everybody's saying get a grapple bucket. Yeah, use one of those.
Let's get into this video.
Hard decision. DeWalt grease gun, Milwaukee grease gun. DeWalt grease gun, Milwaukee grease gun. 275 bucks, I think it says. How much was this one?
$219.
$219. I think we're going with that one. It's cheaper.
I do have it in my hands.
All right, guys. So finally got a minute here. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys real quick. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice case, comes in. Probably never be back in there again just because it'll get a little greasy. Really nice case. So there you have it, guys. Grease gun. Push these little pieces in on the side here. Pull the battery out. Pretty cool. Put that in there. All right, so we're gonna let that do its thing. We'll see this baby back here in the morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this freezing Saturday morning?
Sorry, my lips were frozen shut.
TQ's super thrilled. So we went, guys, no joke, from 40 degrees yesterday, beautiful, to today's highs like in the low 20s. And we have a good storm heading our way. As long as it comes through like they're saying right now. We're
potential 8 inches?
5 to 8 inches they're saying right now, but we're trending up, so that's a good thing. They originally said 1 to 3, then they said 3 to 5, now they're saying 5 to 8. So that's all kinds of goodness for us and snow plowing and salting and everything. But you guys will see as soon as we get out here, one of our commercials kind of has a unique situation going on this year with that big build going on. So we're very limited on space where we can put snow until they get that thing done and all the new parking lot done. So we got to kind of, I guess, do things a little bit differently.
Yes.
All right, guys, so we're pulling up here. So typically we would put a pile of snow right here where this dirt pile is, okay? And as you can see, this is Saturday. This lot will completely fill up. We actually got a car sitting behind us right now. And this is kind of like what we're dealing with here, okay? So this is where they're building the brand spanking new building. And typically there's a big concrete pad over here as well. I believe it's all gone now as far as I could see last week when I was here. So the new hub, the new whole entire building is going to go here with more additional parking when it's done. I don't know what this car is doing. But so yeah, and then it's going to come all the way up here. This building is going to be massive. And then I believe it's actually going to connect to the building that's here right now. All the parking is going to be out back. But as you can see right now, typically all this we would be plowing, all of this. And they would have machines back this way. This is just one of multiple buildings we do for this location as well. We do not film at all of them, but we do film at the ones we're allowed to film at. So yeah, if you guys remember, there used to be a big concrete pad here as well, and it's gone. So with that being said,
and we can't even get to the bays, the truck bays right now either.
Yeah, so they're packaging these up. These are about to go out on semis. So we're gonna hit what we can hit right now. But basically we are gonna put a ton of salt on this thing, simply to try to melt off what we possibly can, because as you can see, they have a fence here, they have machinery here. There's just nowhere to really plow. So we're gonna do what we can, like we always do, huh?
Yeah.
We did talk with the business owners of this place, and you know, they know exactly the game plan. They knew coming into this winter what we were gonna have to do. This is not exactly a typical situation. So TQ is gonna hop out here and get you guys some shots. Gonna bear the cold for them a little bit.
Yeah.
And I am gonna let you guys know we are gonna crank this baby up and we're gonna lay it on thick. So, you know what? Let's go on up. You know, let's see what it'll do at 10 and 10. Here you go, TQ. I'm gonna back up to the road and I'm gonna come in as far as I can and then I'll swing back up here, okay?
Sounds good. That's throwing it like crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to bump her down a little bit for this in between these pumps. So that was max 10 and 10, guys. So it'll put it down, son.
Nice. Where are you going to now?
I'm gonna go 3 and 4.
No, which direction? Just right down this lane?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that seems like a good distance between these carways here. I can taste the salt on my lips. Sticking to my chapstick. It's still throwing pretty good, pretty heavy.
Get all the way back up. In.
Yeah, I kinda can't feel my face.
A little cold out here. All right, so now I'm just gonna try to spread back in here as much as I can. So I'm gonna really sling it. There's no cars back here. I'm gonna just try to get as much around the lot as I possibly can. Because I'm literally, like I showed you guys already, I can't go any further than right now. And I still got about a, I don't know, half a building here to do and get to, and all those truck semi bays as well. But we do have a pretty good coating on here as of now. It's really all we can do. We got silt socks over here. You know, this is nothing compared to what this thing's gonna be tomorrow night when they all come back. It being a Saturday, they're probably running like, I don't know, maybe half. But let's move on here, TQ. Go to another location real quick.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we're here at Earthenwood. So I found out basically they have a call system where you can get put onto a contact list, and during closed hours, if there's others that need salt, they'll reach out to you as well and give you the opportunity to come in and all meet at one time and all get loaded up, so they don't have to keep an employee here all day long on the weekends. So that's what we're doing real quick. We're gonna run back here, get loaded up with salt, so we're good to go. And it's just something really convenient that I found out. A couple of people, I think his name was Matt or Mark, emailed, and then Caleb, which is a local kid as well, all reached out at the same time and said, hey, do you know about this? Which it helps. It doesn't take care of all of our problems, but it definitely helps. So let's get us some more salt.
reach what I can. I didn't get that back corner because I couldn't reach it.
I can pull it up. That corner off over there. There we go.
Ooh, the sun's bright.
Show you guys up in
peeking
here
through
real
those clouds.
So remind me too, Savannah, just in case when we get home, to go ahead and take these bolts out of this side or take the front ones out, one or the other, just so we have access in here in case we do happen to get a clog. We can get in here with a shovel or a stick or anything and get it all broken loose. So
You guys just want me to fill it up or just want a single scoop?
yeah, go ahead and fill it up.
All right, buddy. I see coming in when they're dumping it off. So just pitch them back in there, guys.
Got it load now. Put it in all the corners. Mainly this got to do this guy so I can get my torque back on. All right. we'll pull out, get weighed up. I'll put the tarp back on.
All right, I just climbed up in the truck here to grab this. Get it on here while Sean walked in to pay. It's tight squeeze in between here. Don't want to get wrapped up in the, there we go.
Got it.
I'm getting it. Can you reach it on that side?
I got this side.
Okay.
So for now on, once we come through, we'll just tell them our name, and they have our card on file, so we won't even have to go in.
Okay. Oh, my glove got stuck. That definitely makes it convenient.
What's that?
Just being able to, yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Pull in, get filled up, pull out.
Got it, Biff.
Working on it. Got the last two here. All good.
See guys, this is what happens when your wife's like, hey, we need some bread and milk real quick for this big looming storm that's coming tomorrow. And you forget you brought the regular cab.
So this is gonna be fun. Trying to cram all of this in this truck here.
Hey, I put a lot more in a lot smaller space, man. We'll get her done.
Oh.
Never any doubt. Never any doubt. Yeah, buddy.
Got my armrest here with the meat.
Got the big stuff. We're not going too far, so just have to take the back roads home. I'm hungry.
Me too. You want a piece of cheese?
No, I want a steak. I'm a liver king it up. Give me a raw steak out.
Meaningful and timeless, and our commitment to provide
Meaningful and timeless, honey. It was natural.
Hey guys. Just got back from the store. All tucked in.
Ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and get this baby greased up as best as we possibly can, because out there at that big commercial, we just might need this. If we need to go move snow, pile snow, a little taller, we just want to have it ready just in case. So I'm gonna hold the glow plugs in for like, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds. We'll see how it goes. So it hasn't been started up in 2 days. Chickens. All right, let's give her a go. I'm ecstatic with that. So we're gonna let this baby warm up, but I'm gonna hit some of these grease spots real quick while we're waiting on it to warm up. So you guys know, we got the handy dandy brand spanking new Milwaukee grease gun. Got it fitted up. I did order some new grease though, because when we were at the store they didn't have what I wanted. I wanted to get some real heavy duty stuff. This is heavy duty, but it's not as heavy duty as what I would like. If you guys have a recommendation as well, drop it. I just bought the one that had like big dozers and stuff on it. So it was like $6. I think it was what was it? I think it was through PB Blaster, I believe. Look in here, man. So first one we're gonna hit is this one right here.
How's your forearm? Still good?
Yeah.
All right.
I think we'll be all right. Lift the bucket up real quick.
No heated seats?
Huh?
No heated seats?
No heated seats, babe. Grab me that grease gun. See it coming.
Yep.
Matt said he kept up on it. I can't see that one, so just let me know.
It's moving this out.
Alright, just let it go.
There it comes. There you go.
Good?
Yep.
Grab this, man.
There's another one.
Was it?
Oh, it's over here.
Where?
Right on the side.
Here, you able to do it? I'll film. All right, TQ wants to give it a go.
I think this is one.
Shove it up on. If it goes on, it's one. Yep, I see it coming out over here, honey. Man, these things got about 5 billion of them. I'll tell you what, definitely a grease gun. You guys came through on that one telling me to get a grease gun for this baby. A battery operated grease gun. So you'll see it, it'll come out right down to here. There she comes. All right. See any more on this one?
It's one of the red lights.
Okay. So, those are the ones we can see for now we're gonna get. I mainly just wanted to protect up here with the main moving parts. We are going to schedule this thing to go in and get completely gone through. Just not right now, because we might need it. Another thing is, guys, we ordered a strobe light for the truck. Probably gonna be like 3 weeks to a month before it comes in. Unfortunately, that's just how long it's gonna take right now. But we do have a couple other things we're gonna use.
Check and see if there's eggs, please.
We didn't know we put in an ice skating ring, did we, Carter? No. So all this water, guys, if you remember, last year we did the French drain for the new shed. Look at that. That's where the French drain comes out. When it was warm, all the water was running out, and now it's froze off, but that just tells you how much water is coming down through this thing. And this would have been all through our shed area. So yeah, the kids got them an ice skating ring, and this thing is thick too. Like, I'm not kidding.
Yeah, come here.
You got a football in there, bro.
I know, look. Look how deep it is.
Jeez Louise. You guys are probably 3 inches deep there.
That isn't even deep at all.
It's got a half a football swallowed. Just go ahead and leave that football there till spring.
I know.
But yeah, insane. It's a ice skating ring that you don't got to worry about falling through the ice and drowning in.